How to secure digital evidence after a smart car system failure. After a crash, smart cars may hold vital digital evidence like warnings, camera footage, and software logs explaining system failures, but act fast before the data is overwritten. Modern cars record data like crash logs, dashboard alerts, GPS, ADAS activity, telematics, and software updates, creating digital evidence that can help explain what happened before a crash. Smart cars can quickly overwrite crucial crash data after driving, towing, or software updates. Preserving digital evidence immediately is essential before logs or footage disappear. Recent Tesla and Waymo incidents show how software records reveal what caused crashes. If your vehicle's system fails, preserving its digital evidence can be just as important. After a crash, quickly gather photos, your VIN, the time and location, witness details, manufacturer app access, tow information, and a timeline to help preserve key evidence. Avoid driving, rebooting, updating, or factory resetting your car after a crash, as it can erase vital evidence. If the vehicle is unsafe, prioritize your safety first. Photograph all dashboard warnings and displays, then screenshot your car's app alerts, trip history, and health messages. Next, write a timeline while it's fresh, noting driving mode, vehicle actions, weather, road conditions, and any alerts, sounds, or vibrations before the crash. Save dashcam and surveillance footage before it's overwritten. Request your vehicle's EDR data, diagnostic logs, telematics, and ADAS records, and ask that nothing be erased or updated. Also, document and preserve your car's software update history, as recent updates may explain system failures. Avoid repairs that could alter the vehicle or damage evidence. Preserve broken parts, photograph key damage, and send a written request asking all parties to retain crash data, footage, and software records.
Go to GearBrain for more information.